so let's do a water of the day. This water combination comes from Low Carb Life. I will tag her down below. And she called this, I think, the Lucky Charm water is what I'm thinking, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, she takes a cherry packet, a watermelon packet, and some of this sour green apple skinny syrup, and she pours that together and makes the combination. So I didn't have the normal cherry packet that I use. This is a 7-Up cherry packet, so we're just going to see what this tastes like. I do have some skinny syrup cherry on hand just in case this doesn't work out. And we're going to be using the mixing cup. So we're going to pour. I love this mixing cup, guys. It really, really is easy to mix everything up so that you won't have all the granules. Let's see. I think I almost forgot about putting this in, but we the room. Okay, so let's see. This tastes good. I don't think I'm gonna need to add this cherry, so I think I like it just as. I'm just gonna transfer it to a bigger cup, put some more water and ice with it. I really like it. It's the perfect blend of sweet and tart for those who don't like their drinks to be real overly sweet or real sour. Drop down in the comments and let me know your favorite water combinations. I don't mind trying them out. I'll see you guys in the next video.